Salamander cheat codes for NES, C64, and PlayStation 4. Salamander is a 1986 sequel to Gradius developed by Konami. Retitled Lifeforce in North America is a side-scrolling shooting game reminiscent of previous games in the category. The original arcade cabinet was highly popular, ranking as the second most successful table arcade unit in Japan in August 1986. Salamander features two-player cooperative gameplay, with the first player controlling Vic Viper and the second player piloting the debut spacecraft Lord British. Players can continue immediately from death, and power-ups are obtained by collecting capsules left by certain enemies. The Japanese version, Life Force, retains the selection bar mechanic. The main characters comprise of Vic Viper, Lord British, Saber Tiger and Thrasher, Icky Rock and Zoe Scott, Van Landroth Freely, Lars 18, Super Cobra, Galaxy, Purple Emperor, and Red Devil. Other titles in the series comprise of Scramble, Gradius, Salamander, Nemesis 2, Gradius 2, Nemesis 3, The Eve of Destruction, Gradius 3, Nemesis, Gradius, The Interstellar Assault, Salamander 2, Gradius Gaiden, Solar Assault, Gradius 4, Gradius Advance, Gradius 5, Gradius Neo, Gradius Rebirth, Gradius ARC, and Gradius the Slot. Here are some Salamander cheat codes for NES. Here are the NES Salamander glitch codes, the game genie codes, the level passwords for Commodore 64, dual mode Commodore 64 code. If you're playing player 1 game and want to switch to a dual player game without having to restart, then press F1 to pause the game and then press F5 to switch to dual game mode. Stage 6, mini boss skip arcade glitch. In stage 6, move your shift to the top of the screen to skip the mini boss section. This glitch doesn't work in the Japanese re-release version. Here are some Salamander unlockables. The real final level. To unlock the real final level and boss, you have to insert Gradius 2 or Nemesis 2 in the second cartridge slot of the MSX, while the Salamander game is inserted in the first slot. While playing, collect the 5 predictions in each stage, except the first, and if done right, reach the real final level, face the real last boss, and get a good ending. Here are some PlayStation 4 unlockable trophies. Record score. The score has been posted to the original rankings in the original mode. Mark high score. High score has been updated. Score 100,000 points. The score won 100,000 points. Score 200,000 points. The score won 200,000 points. Score 300 points, where the score won 300,000 points. High score player. The score has been posted to the online rankings in the high score mode.